Hey there, fellow Americans. Today, I've got some incredible news that's going to change the lives of millions of seniors across our nation. If you're receiving Social Security benefits or planning for retirement, you'll want to stay tuned because what I'm about to share could put an extra $530 in your pocket every single month. Before we dive deep into this game-changing development, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Social Security news and retirement tips that could significantly impact your financial future. In a historic move that's sending waves through the retirement community, the Senate has just approved a groundbreaking new law that's set to revolutionize Social Security benefits. But what does this really mean for you and your loved ones? How will this additional $530 monthly boost affect your retirement planning? Let's break down this monumental development and explore every aspect of this new legislation that's giving hope to millions of American seniors. The journey to this landmark decision wasn't an easy one. For years, advocacy groups and lawmakers have been fighting for meaningful reform to address the growing concerns about retirement security in America. With inflation hitting record highs and the cost of living soaring, many seniors have been struggling to make ends meet on their current Social Security benefits. The question that kept coming up in congressional halls was, how can we ensure our seniors maintain their dignity and financial independence in their golden years? This new legislation represents a direct response to these pressing concerns. The $530 monthly increase isn't just a number, it's a lifeline for millions of Americans who have spent decades contributing to our nation's workforce. But you might be wondering, what exactly prompted this significant boost? The answer lies in a complex web of economic factors, demographic shifts, and a growing recognition that our current Social Security system needed a major overhaul to meet the needs of today's retirees. Let's delve into the specifics of how this increase will be implemented. The new law introduces a graduated system that takes into account various factors such as years of work history, contribution levels, and current benefit amounts. This means that while the headline figure is $530, the actual increase might vary depending on your individual circumstances. But here's the good news: the vast majority of beneficiaries will see a substantial boost in their monthly checks. One of the most remarkable aspects of this legislation is its comprehensive approach to addressing the needs of different categories of Social Security recipients. Whether you're receiving retirement benefits, disability benefits, or survivor benefits, this new law has provisions that could positively impact your monthly income. The question many are asking is, when will these changes take effect? The implementation timeline has been carefully structured to ensure a smooth transition, with the first increased payments scheduled to begin rolling out in the coming months. But what about the long-term sustainability of these increases? This was a crucial consideration during the Senate debates, and the legislation includes provisions to ensure that these higher benefit levels can be maintained well into the future. The funding mechanism involves a combination of adjusted contribution caps, strategic investment of trust fund assets, and other fiscal measures designed to strengthen the Social Security system's financial foundation. The impact of this increase extends far beyond just the numbers on a check. For many seniors, this additional $530 per month could mean the difference between choosing between medications and groceries, or finally being able to afford both. It could mean the ability to maintain independence, keep up with rising housing costs, or even help support grandchildren's education. The ripple effects of this increase will be felt throughout communities across America. Another crucial aspect of this legislation is its attention to cost of living adjustments, COLAs, moving forward. The new law includes provisions to ensure that future adjustments more accurately reflect the real expenses faced by seniors, particularly in areas like healthcare and housing. This means that the purchasing power of your benefits will be better protected against inflation in the years to come. The application process for these increased benefits has been designed to be as straightforward as possible. While the Social Security Administration will automatically adjust payments for current beneficiaries, there are some situations where individuals might need to take specific actions to ensure they receive the full increase they're entitled to. It's important to stay informed about these requirements and deadlines. One question that's been frequently asked is how this increase might affect other benefits or programs that seniors rely on. The legislation has been carefully crafted to ensure that this boost in Social Security benefits won't negatively impact eligibility for other assistance programs like Medicare, Medicaid, or housing assistance. This comprehensive approach helps ensure that seniors won't have to make difficult trade-offs between different types of benefits. The role of advocacy groups in achieving this victory cannot be overstated. Organizations representing seniors and retirees have worked tirelessly to bring attention to the financial challenges faced by older Americans and to push for meaningful reform. Their efforts, combined with growing public awareness and support, were instrumental in getting this legislation passed. Looking ahead, this increase is just one part of a broader effort to strengthen retirement security in America. The legislation also includes provisions for studying and addressing other aspects of the Social Security system, from improving customer service to modernizing technology infrastructure. These improvements will help ensure that the system can better serve beneficiaries for generations to come. For those approaching retirement age, this new law adds another important factor to consider in your retirement planning. The increased benefit levels could affect decisions about when to start claiming Social Security benefits, how to structure retirement savings, and what lifestyle choices might be possible in retirement. It's worth reviewing your retirement strategy in light of these changes. The impact on local economies is another important consideration. With millions of seniors receiving an additional $530 per month, local businesses and services are likely to see increased activity. This economic stimulus effect could help create jobs and support community development, particularly in areas with large retiree populations. Education and outreach efforts are being planned to ensure that all eligible beneficiaries understand their rights and options under the new law. The Social Security Administration will be conducting information sessions, updating their online resources, and working with community organizations to spread awareness about these changes. The legislation also includes provisions for protecting these increased benefits from fraud and abuse. Enhanced security measures and monitoring systems will help ensure that these additional funds reach their intended recipients and are used as intended. This protection is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the program and public trust. For caregivers and family members who support seniors, this increase could provide some welcome relief. The additional funds might help cover the costs of in-home care, medical expenses, or other support services that help seniors maintain their independence and quality of life. This aspect of the legislation acknowledges the important role that family caregivers play in our society. The international perspective on this development is also worth noting. Many other countries are watching this U.S. initiative closely, as they too grapple with the challenges of supporting aging populations. This legislation could serve as a model for other nations looking to strengthen their social security systems. The timing of this increase is particularly significant given the current economic climate. With many seniors facing increased costs for essential items and services, this boost in benefits provides much-needed relief. It's a recognition that our society has a responsibility to ensure that those who have contributed throughout their working lives can maintain a decent standard of living in retirement. Questions about how this increase might affect taxes have been common. The legislation includes provisions to ensure that the additional benefits are treated fairly under the tax code, with considerations for different income levels and circumstances. It's important to consult with financial advisors to understand how these changes might affect your overall financial picture. The technological aspects of implementing this increase are also being carefully managed. The Social Security Administration is upgrading its systems to handle the new benefit calculations and payment processes efficiently. This modernization effort will help ensure smooth delivery of the increased benefits while improving overall service quality. The response from the medical community has been largely positive, as healthcare providers recognize that increased financial security can lead to better health outcomes for seniors. When seniors have more resources to manage their health needs, they're more likely to seek preventive care and maintain prescribed treatments. Environmental considerations have also been factored into the implementation plans. The Social Security Administration is taking steps to minimize the environmental impact of processing these increases, including using digital communications where possible and implementing eco-friendly practices in their operations. The role of state and local governments in supporting this federal initiative is crucial. Many states are looking at ways to complement these increased benefits with their own programs and services for seniors. This coordination between different levels of government helps ensure comprehensive support for older Americans. The impact on different demographic groups has been carefully analyzed. The legislation includes provisions to address historical inequities and ensure that the increases are distributed fairly across different populations. This attention to equity helps ensure that the benefits reach those who need them most. For younger workers, this legislation provides some reassurance about the future of Social Security. The financial strengthening measures included in the law help ensure that the system will be there for future generations, while the increased benefit levels set a new standard for retirement security. The influence of this legislation extends to private sector retirement planning as well. Many employers and financial institutions are adjusting their retirement products and services to align with these new benefit levels, creating more comprehensive retirement solutions for workers. Research institutions and policy think tanks are already studying the potential long-term effects of this increase. Their findings will help inform future adjustments and improvements to the Social Security system, ensuring that it continues to meet the needs of beneficiaries effectively. The global economic implications of this increase are significant. As the world's largest economy strengthens its social safety net, it sends a powerful message about the importance of supporting aging populations and maintaining social cohesion. Community organizations are playing a vital role in helping seniors understand and access these increased benefits. Their outreach efforts, particularly in underserved communities, help ensure that no eligible beneficiary misses out on these important increases. The media's role in communicating these changes is crucial. Accurate reporting and clear explanations help seniors understand their rights and options under the new law, while also fostering public support for these important improvements to the Social Security system. Looking to the future, this legislation sets a new baseline for discussions about retirement security in America. It represents a recognition that as our society evolves, our support systems must adapt to meet changing needs and circumstances. Remember, staying informed about these changes is crucial for maximizing your benefits. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Social Security and retirement planning. Together, we can build a more secure future for all Americans. This historic increase in Social Security benefits represents more than just a policy change. It's a reaffirmation of our society's commitment to supporting our seniors and ensuring dignity in retirement. As we continue to monitor the implementation of these changes, we'll keep you updated with the latest developments and what they mean for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching this important update. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay informed about future developments in Social Security benefits and retirement planning. Your financial future matters, and we're here to help you make the most of these new opportunities.